Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about installing an awesome IPTV. The IPTV service we'll focus on is Xtreme HD IPTV, a fantastic choice for streaming. Before we dive into the installation, don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. This video is sponsored by .2tv.store, the best IPTV provider you can find. Now let's start with the first step, connecting your Firestick to your television. Ensure the Firestick is powered on, and you're on the home screen before proceeding. Next, navigate to the Settings option located at the top right corner. From there, select My Fire TV to access additional settings for your device. Now choose Developer Options, which allows the installation of third-party apps. Make sure to turn on Apps from Unknown Sources to begin your installation. Next, return to the home screen and search for the Downloader app. Download and install the Downloader app as it's essential for getting Xtreme HD. After installation, open the Downloader app to initiate the download of Xtreme HD IPTV. Type in the official download link for Xtreme HD IPTV and click Go to start. Once downloaded, follow the prompts to install Xtreme HD IPTV on your Firestick device. When the installation completes, click Open to launch Xtreme HD IPTV immediately. Enjoy endless streaming with your new Xtreme HD IPTV setup and explore all channels.